Let's do some examples. Es regnet, it's one sentence, right? Es ist kalt. So we have two independent sentences here. But since we are not babies, we don't talk in little short phrases, we want to combine the sentence, right? And when we write, we want to write nice long sentences, not little blips, okay? So, how can we combine those sentences? Which one would make sense? Es regnet, es ist kalt. Und would make the most sense here, wouldn't it? So let's see what happens. Es regnet und, of course, now that since we are combining the sentences, one becomes a lowercase letter, und es ist kalt. There. Now we have a nice long sentence. Es regnet und es ist kalt. And nothing changed in these sentences. The same word order, everything remains the same. The only thing is we stick an und in between, and then the beginning word of the second sentence has to be in lowercase. That's all we do. I told you it was easy, right? Now, let's use another one. Ich gehe in die Vorlesung. Ich lerne Deutsch. Okay, now I'm going to my lecture, I'm learning German. Which one of these 5 conjunctions could we use? Which one would make sense? Denn, right? You're giving a reason. So, ich gehe in die Vorlesung. And now we put a comma there. And we use the conjunction denn. And again, I said the second sentence, the first word in the second sentence becomes lowercase. But that's all that changes. Ich lerne Deutsch. Now we have a nice long sentence. And we sound a lot more educated when we talk like that, right? Ich gehe in die Vorlesung, denn ich lerne Deutsch. I'm going to the lecture because I'm learning German. Now, oder gives us a choice. Let's ask a question. Gehst du jetzt? Are you going now? Gehst du später? Are you going later? Alright, now, since there are 2 different activities, we would ask the person, gehst du jetzt? Are you going right now? Oder, stick the oder in, lowercase here, oder gehst du später? There you go. Are you going now or are you going later? So this is one way you might be able to use oder. Alright, let's use the sondern. How can we use the sondern? Let's use these sentences. Ich esse nicht. Nichts. I'm not eating anything. Ich mache Hausaufgaben. I'm doing my homework. So. Should be nicht. Ich esse nicht, ich mache Hausaufgaben. Ich esse nicht. Remember, I told you it's used, preceded by a negative sentence before we use sondern. Sondern, ich mache Hausaufgaben. So, I'm not eating anything, on the contrary, I'm doing my homework right now. This would be an example for using sondern. And aber, for example, we could say, let's do 2 sentences. Er ist hungrig, he is hungry. isst nichts. Now, isst here means eats, okay? It has two S's. He is hungry, he eats nothing. Yeah, he is hungry, but he eats nothing. Why? Probably because he is on a diet or he doesn't have any food. So we would say, ist hungrig, aber isst nicht oder nichts. Either he eats nothing or he does not eat. So here we have each of these conjunctions used in an example. And again, they're called coordinating conjunctions. Memorize those 5 because you get another group later on. They're called subordinating. And that's a lot bigger list. So once you know that these 5 are all coordinating conjunctions, you know automatically then all the other ones belong to a different group. And these are the easy ones because they change nothing in the sentence at all. They just stick the conjunction in between the sentences, put the first word in the second sentence in lowercase, and you are done with it. And that's it.